see. We're missing Zach. We've got Kier and Yuri. And hi, Ali. How you doing? Good to see you again.
Hey, Greg. You're in the office. Wow.
Actually, I think Zach's on vacation this week. Didn't he say that? I forget. Maybe. Find out. Time. So we're waiting on that B-Start Runner PR from Ali with documentation. What's the status on that? Is that why you're here, Ali?
I've got the documentation written. I've just got to push that to, I guess, a branch off my GitHub. Some guy commented something about some directory path changing, and I've got to look into that too. But hopefully, I can get my version of the PR out later today.
Awesome. How you doing, Kier? You got any news for us?
So I haven't submitted any new cars yet. Just trying to merge. It's not easy to separate. But I was trying to run unit tests, and it seems like I don't understand if they are running actually, because when I run talks with Pi7 integration, it just said that it skipped 16 from 16. So probably I do not understand how to run them correctly.
Just the Teuthology unit tests?
Yeah.
Okay. I have never actually executed these, but we just got Zach.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, I was on the wrong route, wondering where everyone was. What's the problem?
So the problem is that it says just keep 16 from 16, but Pi27 integration is passed.
Wait, what about 16? Sorry, I'm not really.
16.
Maybe I don't think I heard you.
On the Teuthology unit tests.
Yeah, Teuthology unit tests.
You ran talks? I've never actually done this. So, and it said it skipped them all.
Yeah. So,
which ones did it skip?
Oh, it's plenty of them, like test suite inline, test Ceph hash simple, test kernel hash saya, etc.
This is under Pi27?
Say it again.
Did you run them with talks?
Yeah, I run talks -e Pi27 integration.
Okay.
The only thing that I added is reporting JUnit, and it's just there is nothing, just all 16 items that it collected will be passed.
Yeah, so the Pi27 integration tests were added by Loic, and I'm trying to remember what the deal with them is.
So which unit should I run for unit test?
So the unit tests are just Pi27.
Pi27, not integration, right?
Right.
And do I need some specific environment for it?
You should not need anything special, no.
Okay. So yeah, and I figured out also that our old branch, I mean SUSE Tautology, is not able to run because of dependencies. So I need to patch it. I don't know.
Did you guys add dependencies?
Yeah, because we updated dependencies because they are updating time to time on the pip repos, and we updated the main requirements, but there are a couple of them that are not fitting the requirements at the moment. Most of them related to SSL, and I was just probably I need to grab some PRs from upstream to make it working again.
Probably. I did have to do some stuff with dependencies. I mean, a few times over the last.
Right, and when I saw I just got into the history and see that you changed the way how to deal with deep dependencies, pretty large changes. Just if to compare requirements TXT, it's more than 100% additions.
Oh yeah, so you must. Oh boy. So your fork is probably missing the pip tools commit from
Yeah,
April
but
2017.
again, I was able to run it, just adding 2 dependencies for OpenCell if I manually patch it. So I hope it will be. I don't know how to better deal with it. Either grab, I mean, cherry pick yours, but we have conflicts. So
That's a tough situation.
yeah, and there is a lot of tough situation with discrepancies in separate PRs between our branches. Really hard to merge in either direction. So still trying to figure out how to better deal with it.
Or what the best approach to use is here.
So Pi 27 should work.
Yeah, try running that one.
So I'm just trying to set up our downstream PR testing for Pi 27.
Yeah, let's see what we run for PRs. Let's see, we run. I think we just run the default, which is docs Pi27 integration, Flake8, and OpenStack. But the integration and OpenStack environments, I think, mostly get skipped. But because, well, obviously the OpenStack one is going to be skipped, right? And the integration one, I'm going to look at those tests again because I frankly, I can't remember what all they do. And I'm sure they don't. I'm sure there's a lot of things they could be doing, but they're not doing.
Yeah, and from my memory, about a year ago, I was trying to run Pi 27 alone without integration. It was failing because it was trying to connect to some OpenStack stuff. I don't know why it's doing. Probably I will check again. If it's still failing with some similar issues, I will get back to you.
Yeah, please do, because at least the unit tests, the Pi27 environment, those should work. Those we don't merge PRs if they don't pass, so they're passing on master for us.
Yeah.
And they run on all kinds of different environments. I actually don't tell a lot of people this. Just kidding. You can tell whoever you want. I actually develop on a Mac. So those unit tests can run on a Mac.
I also have a Mac, bro.
Nice. All right.
So I'll try my
Shame,
front.
shame,
but-
shame.
I didn't even know Ali was here.
So just so you guys know, this is a recorded meeting.
Okay.
I say for my Mac desktop.
All right, we're all in this together.
Cool. So, I don't remember what else.
Oh, I'm remembering at least partly why we don't run the integration tests for PRs. It's because they end up doing things like querying the build system for built packages, and sometimes the packages it's going to look for don't exist yet. They haven't been built, and we don't want tests to fail because of just random crap like the build system is slow today. But I bet those tests need to be updated, so I'll try and take a look at that. Fortunately, the last week I haven't really been able to do anything with Tufology because of my metrics dashboard stuff. Trying to get a product out. But I think things are going to slow back down, hopefully.
Okay.
All right, so it sounds like there hasn't been any other movement on our action items in the last week. Anybody have anything else that's come up they wanted to discuss?
Not much from my side.
Okay. Sounds like this one's short then. So you all know I am going to be out on vacation most of next week, so I won't be here in this meeting. Are you going to be around? Can you run this?
Well, the US
Or
is
wait.
out next
Oh,
week.
actually, sorry. Right. This is
next
this is
Wednesday.
the 4th, next Wednesday.
Yeah.
So we will not be here in the United States, which probably means that if you come here, you'll be lonely here.
Yeah, we'll talk with myself.
I guess I'll just take this off the calendar for next week. That's an easier solution. Or easy enough. All right.
Yeah,
In that
unless
case.
non-US people felt like talking, but we only have one here right now, so.
Yeah, I'll just put off the calendar. Okay. In that case, I guess we'll give ourselves back most of the time. Going once. Going twice. All right. Thanks all.
Yeah.
See you in 2 weeks.
Yeah, guys. Bye-bye.
Yay,
Bye.
15-minute meeting.
Yeah,
Woo.
cool.